Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ramya Sri. I am going to deal the subject of computer fundamentals and Photoshop for degree first year BCom and BSc. Today our topic is working with layers. In the yesterday session we are completed the palette windows. Now we are discuss about layers. What is meant by layer? A layer is a part of Photoshop document. They allows users to create parts of an image. They are useful to work on one element of an image without disturbing the others. When the layer appearance is changed, it does not affect to the other parts of an image. Then the layer provides the greater flexibility to manage images in Photoshop documents. Instead of working on entire image, it is most useful to work with layers in the document. Then the layer palette contains the names of all the layers in an image. It is used to create, delete, display or hide the layers. It is also used to merge and link layers. The layer palette is also shows whether a layer is currently visible or not. To display layer palette, we can choose window menu and select the layer of menu option. Here we can display the layer palette like this. It will be displayed on right side corner of the Adobe Photoshop window. In the layer palette we have to mention different parts. They have namely 6 different parts are available in the layer palette. Those are blending mode, layer palette menu, opacity, lock options, layers, layer visibility. While going to the parts of layer palette window, the first one is blending mode. In the blending modes are special effects to the layers like normal, dissolve, etc. The layer palette menu, it displays a list of options for working with layers. Opacity means it determines the level of transparency. That means a layer with 1% of opacity appears transparently. A layer with 100% opacity appears completely. So this is the difference between the transparency and completely. So the opacity will be displayed in the layer menu. Then lock options. These options are used to lock the layers when layers are locked. That means some features and tools are not worked on them. In the lock options, the visibility will be mentioned. The visibility means we can lock the layer. We cannot move from one place to another place. We cannot change it. So that is the lock. Then layers. This area contains all types of layers. So how many layers we have to mention? Those all will be in the layers menu. Then by default the Photoshop contains only one layer called background layer. Every Photoshop document that could have the default layer, that is the background layer. Then the other option is layer visibility. An eye icon in the area of indicates the visibility of layers. We can observe in the layer menu in the left side corner we can observe the eye icon, that means the layer visibility. When the eye icon is appeared, then the layer displayed, otherwise the layer is hidden. That layer will be hidden stays, the eye icon will not be displayed. So this is the visibility of layers. Then we can go for working with layers. The option in layer menu and layer palettes in the Photoshop are used to work with layers. Some of the tasks can be made by using the layers. Those are creating a new layer and selecting a layer, displaying or hiding a layer. Then We can merge the layers and linking the layers and deleting the layers. These are all different tasks are while performed by layer palettes or layer menu. Then the first task is creating a new layer. We can create the layers by using three methods. First of all, we can create many layers as we want on the image. So by using the three methods, we can create the new layer. The first one is new layer and new layer via copy and new layer via cut. The first method is new layer. In this method, we can create some workspace to the work with a layer on an existing image. So we can open the image and then click on the layer menu, then click on the new menu, select the layer option. Automatically it displays the new layer dialog box. Here the new layer dialog box can have the name of the layer and color option and mode option, OK and cancel button, and opacity also we display. If required, the type layer name. Then we can mention which name we have to given for that layer in the name box. Then if required, we can choose the color of layer. Then we can choose the blending mode if it will be required. The mode will be always set in normal. If required, we can specify the opacity value from 1% to 100%. Then all changes will be made completely. Then we can click on the OK button. Automatically the new layer will be created. Then the second way is the new layer via copy. We can create a new layer via copy. In this method, the copies of selection of an image as a new layer. Here the steps are: open the image and select a part of image using selection tools. Then we can click on the layer menu, then click on the new menu and select the layer via copy option. Here we can select the part of an image is copied as a layer, as a new layer. Then automatically the new layer will be created while copy the existing layer. So the third method is the new layer via cut. In this method, we can move the selection of an image as a new layer. Open the image and select the part of the image using selection tools. Click on the layer menu and click on the new layer via cut option and select the part of image is removed and creates a new layer. In this way, we can create a new layer via cut option. So these three methods are used to create a new layer in the Adobe Photoshop. Then we can selecting a layer. We cannot work on a layer without selecting it. So the changes we make are applied to the selected layer only, and rest of the image will not be affected. So the procedure is the selecting the layer is: open the image and click on the layer in the layers palette. The layer name is highlighted. Also paint brush icon appears before the name of the layer. Then we can displaying or hiding a layer. When we can hide a layer, the contents of the layer are not displayed on the image. The eye icon can be used to display or hide layers. When the eye icon is displayed, the layer will be displayed on the palette window, and the eye icon will be in the hiding stage. The layer will not be displayed on the image. Then the procedure for using the displaying or hiding a layer is: open the image and click on the layer if we want to display or hide a layer palette. Then we can click the layers visibility area. If the eye icon is appears, the layer will be displayed. If the eye icon is disappears, the layer will be in the hidden state. So this is the procedure for displaying or hiding a layer. Then we can merging the layers. Layers or merging means the combining two or more layers into single layer. When layers are merged, then they cannot be separated and edited. So by using the merging, we can combine two layers, but they cannot be separated, but they cannot be edited. So the procedure while using the merging of layers, or when the images want to be merged, and hide the layers that do not want to merge. Then click the layer menu and select the merge visible option. All the visible layers are merged into a single layer. Then linking layers. Linking of layers means making a chain of layers. When layers are linked, then they can be separated and edited. The procedure for linking layers are: open the image and click on the layers in the layer palette and click on the empty box beside the eye icon on another layer. The chain icon appears in the box indicating that the layers are not linked. Now we can work on linked layers simultaneously. Click on the chain icon of a layer to remove a link. Then we can go for deleting a layer. This is the last task of working with layers. That is, sometimes the data contained in a layer is not required. So we can delete that layer easily. We have to delete a layer by using two methods. In first method, the procedure is open the image and click on the layer we want to delete in layers palette. Then we can click on the layer menu and click on the delete from and layer option. Automatically it displays the confirmation dialog box. Click S button to delete. Automatically that selected layer will be deleted. This is the method 1 for deleting a layer. Another method is having while deleting a layer, that is, open the image and click on layer we want to delete in layer palette and click delete icon in layers palette. It displays confirmation dialog box and then click S button to delete. Automatically the layers will be deleted. So these are the different tasks are performed while you working with layers. Thank you so much for watching.